What if I told you that you could turn this $100 into $10,000 in just 24 hours? Sounds crazy, right? But stick with me, because I'm about to show you 3 high-risk, high-reward strategies that can make it happen. Let's dive in. Method number 1. High-stakes flipping. The fastest way to flip money is by buying and reselling underpriced products. Here's how you do it. 1. Find a hot product. Search for underpriced items on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or eBay. Look for electronics, limited edition sneakers, or collectibles. To negotiate and buy in bulk, use your $100 to get a deal on an item worth $200, $300. 3. Resell for profit. List it immediately on platforms like eBay or stocks at market value. 4. Scale fast. Repeat this process, reinvesting your profits to hit $10,000. Example: someone flips a limited edition sneaker they bought for $100 and sells it for $250. Then they reinvest until they reach $10,000. Method number 2. Options trading. High risk, high reward. Options trading is risky, but with the right move, it can skyrocket your cash. 1. Find a stock with high volatility. Stocks like Tesla, Nvidia, or Amazon move fast. To buy cheap call options, use your $100 to buy options contracts on a stock with strong momentum. 3. Time it right. If the stock jumps significantly in one day, your options can 10x or more. 4. Sell for profit. If the trade goes your way, you could turn $100 into thousands overnight. Warning: this method can lose your money just as fast, so only risk what you can afford. Method number 3. Casino. High-risk strategy. Extreme gambling. This is the riskiest but fastest way. High-stakes gambling. 1. Find a casino or online betting site. Play high-risk games like roulette or blackjack. To martingale betting strategy, double your bet after every loss to recover and profit. 3. Stick to a plan. If you win big, cash out immediately before losing it all. 4. Risk versus reward. This is pure gambling, so only do it if you can handle the risk. Example: someone starts with $100, doubles up on roulette, and walks away with $10,000. There you have it. 3 insane ways to turn $100 into $10,000 in just 24 hours. But remember, these are high-risk strategies, so don't go all in without knowing the risks. Which one would you try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more crazy money-making ideas. See you in the next one.